Hey, I'm Fish. I tell you, what a day it is, man. I got a review I do want to finalize and get it out before I take care of it. And yeah, it'd be the first one out there, and you'll have to make a decision for yourself based on how I'm going to make that review, right? You're not going to see me doing anything else but talk about it. Well, I'm out here in bad weather, and I got the DJI Osmo Action 3, and I'm holding it downward so this way the raindrops don't hit the lens. But I don't have my battery. No, I got the battery. I don't have the port door on. People ask me a question about a Fishycomics X5, and they're going to ask me, or they're going to be concerned, well, can you walk out without a port door? Yeah, you can walk out in the rain, port door. Nothing's going to happen. People want to know about the Fishycomics X5. Can you worry if dust and sand get on it? Well, if you're so worried about it, what would you do if you had a DJI wireless mic? Worry even more? No. The Fishycomics X5 is good. It's got the 3.5 millimeter or 1/4 jack port, and it goes straight through. And you don't want to get sand on that. But tell you what, put it in the bag, wrap it around, and this way nothing will happen. Put a little hole by the mic. Even when you put the wind muff on, sand's not going to get in. But you get home, you get an air duster, you get a container, and you blow the sand out. But it's not waterproof, so you can walk around in the rain. You can put it on here and keep it behind your shirt. You still get sound and protected. You won't get sand, but if it drops, I understand. You take those chances. Well, I am putting my thumb over the porthole right now, so this way the rain won't get on it. I'm cutting my walk short. I'm cutting my talk short. And I hope you enjoyed this small talk about the Fishycomics and DJI. Oh man, let me go back out for another walk. It's just started to stop. I'm Fish, and I catch on many other videos to come.